Installing and activating your RemitBee eSIM on your Android device is fast and easy. Once you purchase your RemitBee eSIM, you'll receive an email with everything you need to complete the setup. You can also find your QR code and manual activation code anytime in the Usage tab of the RemitBee app. Let's begin. Open your Android device and make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. Then go to Settings, Connections, SIM Manager. Under eSIMs, tap Add eSIM to begin. Have the QR code from your email ready, either printed or open on another device. Point your camera at the code and wait a few seconds. If you can't scan the QR code, tap Enter Activation Code manually. Copy and paste the code from your email. Then tap Connect. Once detected, tap on your eSIM to install the plan. You can rename it to something like RemitBee Paris to stay organized. Once you arrive at your destination, it's time to activate your eSIM. Go to Settings, Connections, SIM Manager again. Under Preferred SIMs, tap Mobile Data and choose your RemitBee eSIM. To avoid roaming charges, disable your primary SIM. Then go to Mobile Networks and enable data roaming for your eSIM. Keep in mind, RemitBee eSIMs are for mobile data only and do not support calls or SMS. That's it. Your RemitBee eSIM is now active. Enjoy your trip and stay connected. Need help? Our team is here 24/7 via chat.